First time in a long time.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is Wednesday, our last full day in Mexico. Just woke up, about to get this suitcase situation together. Cause it's a hot mess. It's a hot mess. Yeah. My suitcase is packed. So we have never been worn over here. And then these two packing cubes are gonna be for dirty clothes. And then these are the shoes I'm wearing tonight. Didn't even wear these heels. But everything's packed up, ready to go. EJ's over here getting his stuff together. But clearly, we're ready to go to the pool. Well, we're gonna go get breakfast, lunch, food. And then we're going to the pool.
Yeah, or friends. Can you get their Facebook or Instagram or something?
We're gonna hang out with our friends, Jasmine and Walt, whatever their last name is. What time is lunch? 11. Morning margarita. We're waiting for lunch to start.
Morning pina colada. This is like how much I need every time. Maybe a little bit less.
The salt does it for me. Y'all, we were the first ones in here. So EJ had the bright suggestion to go to the taco bar. Bien.
Bienvenidos.
That means welcome. But yeah, this taco, bussin'. And of course I got my obligatory sushi. Cheers.
I didn't see the little black girl yesterday either at night. She wasn't really had too much to drink. The one I told you was cute from the pool.
Oh, the dark skinned girl? Y'all, this margarita with this tahini. That's good stuff right there. Oh yeah, that's better than a regular one. All right, heading to the pool after lunch. Had some bomb tacos and a mango margarita. Miss Val's coming to the pool too. She's gonna dip her big toe in. Y'all, this hotel lobby is so pretty. So, and it's so nicely lit up at night. And then this fountain right here. Look at that. Beautiful.
What's the M for?
McDuffie.
Okay. Where are you from, baby? Chicos, para la próxima. ¡No te vayas! Dos, uno, let's go, vámonos. Ahí está, vamos. Como un western. Y ahí está. Very slow.
It's the part you won't pay attention.
Sexy dance. Ahí está, a ver. Ok, ¿están listas, señores? 3, 2, 1, vámonos. Ahí está. Ok. Ahí está. Baby, where are you going? ¿Qué te pasó? Ok. Sexy dance. Sexy dance. Oh, here we go. Suéltala. Chicos, fuerte el aplauso, un aplauso. Champagne! Okay. Vamos, vamos, chicos, vamos, vamos. Baby, come cheers. Everybody, uno, dos.
Baby face. All right, y'all. We've been in the pool all afternoon. About to go to the beach and get some food, snacks.
Oh, it's my girl.
And then
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
what are we gonna do after the beach?
I don't know.
Get back in the pool, go to dinner? I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something.
Back at it again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Today's been a good day. We might just run it up and stay up all night. I'm trying to see what our friends, the Thompsons, are doing.
That's their name.
Yeah. So I'm heading to the beach, full bikini situation. Because why put on extra clothes when you don't have to? But I'm really just gonna get some wings and fries.
Yeah, me too. I'm liable to get my junks together. Bring it right back over here. Eating them while I'm walking.
Right. Cause who gonna check me?
I
Alright.
can't miss the pool.
See ya. We just got out of the pool. About to go hit the shower and go get something to eat. We're probably gonna go to the buffet.
For tonight.
All right, we're about to go to dinner and go to the casino. So this is what I'm giving. Yeah, it's not focusing, but this is Amazon The Drop. Signed Blake, another person I can't pronounce. Sheen. But yeah, we're going out. Let's go. Is there water in here?
Yeah.
My mouth is dry.
You wanted that life too? Yellow.
Oh wow.
You see?
The black line. But you can make a deal. Maybe we got two. Maybe she done.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Trust who? Watch my back even when I'm in the pool. Oh, trust who? Doing my thing, but I'm kinda come clean. I like you. I wanna make you feel the weight off your shoulders too. I take it. Just tell me it can't be that crazy. Even if it is that crazy, baby, I'll take it.
Make her up on.
Tell me that you're coming through. La, la, la. Oh, there we go.
Sure.
Watch your step.
Yes, thank you. Oh, nice. Somebody over there sleeping. There's 3 people over there sleeping.
3?
Yeah.
Dang. Dang.
One over there. That's bad.
All right, y'all.
Sorry.
Last night, we're heading back to the room. I'm probably gonna get in the tub and soak for a little while before we have to travel. But it's been a good vacation, perfect amount of time. Met good people, had a good time. You know, just all around fun. I got to pop off on a few fits, you know what I'm saying? The people was loving me, okay? All right, the people were loving me. Got snatched by a couple white women on the dance floor a couple times. But it's a good time.
I keep the love from